Welcome back, guys. Apologies for it being so long between videos. Just to sort of touch on that, I did have a back injury last year, so it's been a long rehab, but I'm back, and today we'll be installing a fire extinguisher in the Triton. Let's get to it. So, first things first, you're going to need a fire extinguisher. You're going to need a bracket for that fire extinguisher to sit in, and then you're going to need a bracket for the fire extinguisher bracket to fit in your car. So we're going to have to decide where it's going to go in here, whether it's going to go driver's side or passenger side. I'm thinking passenger side, that's just my preference. Apologies about the dirty car. Get these Macca's straws out of here. So the bracket is going to sit right around here. You just need to undo these bolts here, slide your bracket under, and that's pretty much it. It is a straightforward install. Well, let's grab some tools. So before I get too carried away, I'm going to mount the fire extinguisher bracket on there first, so I can just clip the fire extinguisher in after, just because there's not a lot of room behind there to get these nuts on the bolts. So I reckon I'm going to have it about there. So I'm going to whack a washer behind it, just so these bolts don't pull through for any extreme off-roading. I don't want the fire extinguisher rolling around. It's a very tight fit. Wiggle that through. So for those of you wondering where you can get one of these brackets specifically made for your vehicle, I'll leave a link in the description below for Scrub King. They make a range of brackets, and I'm actually surprised to find one for the Triton, because people seem to forget the old Triton. Just do that on finger tight for now, and we'll see how it fits up in the car. Alright, so I don't know where to put the camera. I don't have a lot of mounting options where you can sort of see what's going on. I'll try and light it up a bit just with this kick-ass torch / bar light. Let's see if that helps. Alright, I've had to open the glove box and sort of mount you guys in there, so apologies if this is a bad angle. But what you want to do is lift your seat up, slide your bracket in, and drop it back down and tighten those bolts. But before I do, I'm just going to test fit this before I get too excited. Just make sure that that all sits nicely and it's not going to roll around off-road. Alright, so now that's sitting nicely, you can go ahead and put these nuts back on. tighten them up. So that's it guys, that's all there is to it. Very simple mod to do, one worthwhile. For 66 bucks I think it was the bracket, and $20 fire extinguisher from Bunnings. It could just be the thing that saves your pride and joy. If you're out on the tracks, far away from water, and your dual battery system catches fire, fingers crossed that never happens, but if it does, you've got a fire extinguisher there that could just save your whole car from burning down. Or if you're out camping, your campfire gets away from you, you haven't prepared yourself with a bucket of water, you can easily open the door, grab the fire extinguisher and put it out. So that's it guys, thanks for tuning in. Hopefully the audio has been alright on this. I am in a big shed and I'm using the new GoPro Hero 10. So let me know in the comments below what the audio and video quality is actually like on your end. Once again guys, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.